Hi everyone, welcome to today's makeup tutorial. So this is my no makeup look. I am obviously wearing makeup. It's just a little bit more natural. This is pretty much what I wear every day. So in this look I'm not wearing any foundation or concealer, and I'm keeping things a little bit more, understated. Enjoy! So for powder, I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder, which I cannot open, like, ever. Oh, sweet Jesus. Okay. So it does have a tiny little bit of color. Now, if you have dry skin, I would probably recommend some sort of tinted moisturizer instead, but I prefer to use powders. This will even out your skin tone a little bit. It doesn't really have that much coverage. I'm just using it so that I don't look as shiny. Now I'm using a little bit of bronzer. This is Benefit Hoola. I almost never skip bronzer. I'm too pale. I needs it. For blush, I'm using this Bobbi Brown French Pink blush. It's very pink. For highlight, I'm using this Wet n Wild, it's called Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. That's what it looks like. It's in the shade Blossom Glow. I'm using the same blush brush that I was using. This is a Morphe E4. And I'm just using it as a blush topper. That way it looks a little bit less like a highlight and more like a glow from within. Now we are done. I'm going to set the face. So for the eyes, I'm using this Morphe Jeffree Star palette. Use what you have. I'm starting with the colour Lin, which pretty much matches the big fluffy brush all over the lid. Using this colour right next to it, it's 1985, which is a light peachy colour, just to define the eye a little bit. basically blend that into nothing. then you're done. I'm using a little bit of these two colors mixed together, so any dark brown and black will work just at the lash line. It's just the base, basically, so that when you put mascara on, it's going to make your lashes look fuller. So my camera stopped recording, which is great. Anywho, I put some brow gel on. This is MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set brow gel. Whatever. Brows don't have to be complicated, okay? You can just brush them up and you're good to go. But anyways. And for the lips, I'm using this Estee Lauder lip liner. It's in the color Fig. Okay, so you can do lip gloss if you prefer, or nothing, or just lip balm. I like to use a tiny little bit of lip liner just to define the lips. I don't even fill them in all the way. This lip liner actually comes with a tiny little brush on the other end, so you can kind of blend it. Real fancy. And then what I do is I take my lip balm. This is a Burt's Bees lip balm with nothing special. There you go. The lip balm helps melt the lip liner all over the lips, so that it looks very, very natural. Obviously this color works for my skin tone. Use whatever works for you. But this is it.